Hi, my name's Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around our Ford Fiesta. Then I'll take you for a ride in it, but first I'll tell you a little bit more about it. It's a 1.5 TDCi Zetec 3-door, 2017 on a 17 plate, has only done 17,538 miles. Fuel economy is absolutely tremendous. Urban 65.7 miles per gallon, extra urban 88.3 miles per gallon, and combined is 78.5 miles per gallon. A 0 to 60 time of 13.5 seconds, top speed of 104 miles per hour out of a 74 brake horsepower 16 valve 4-cylinder engine. I'll just show you the service history before we set off. It's got a proper service book. Here we go, 3rd of the 8th 2017, I'm assuming that's the PDI at 32 miles, Evans Holshaw. And then 14th of the 2nd 2019 at 8,100, S&D Pollock Limited. Only done low mileage now, but we'll give it a check over before it goes out. We've got the proper key with the actual blade, which is good to see. Here we go. On the side there, little catch and height and reach adjustable steering wheel. Let's just see. Yeah, we've got height adjustable seat as well, and really nice car, finished in silver with the charcoal sport seats inside, grey cloth on the outside, and then this kind of, I suppose, herringbone is it, centre panel, and lots of gloss black or piano black around the cabin, down the centre console here. Your exits are here and behind and so on. Yeah, gloss black on the door handles. Probably, it's hard to say really. I prefer Fords for the gearbox, the way they drive. There's so many good little cars around these days that I suppose mostly, and a lot of them are built on the same chassis. So it's just it's going to run the same, it's going to drive the same, it's going to go over bumps the same, but it just looks different. I think Ford come out with things before anybody else. They always seem to do it right, and their audio equipment, the standard equipment on their cars, like for instance it's only a little car, and it's got a heated front screen, which is absolutely tremendous, and in this weather it's an absolute lifesaver. Real smooth, positive but easy gear stick or gear change, light clutch but just heavy enough to get the right feedback. If the clutch is too light, doesn't help you change gear at all. This, you can feel the biting point, and just as you're clicking through the biting point, you can, it wasn't for stopping. So great brakes, absolutely superb steering, great handling. Ideal car for you no matter what age. Got all the stuff you need on. Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth audio streaming as well. It's a bit asthmatic getting to 60, but what do you want? Do you want economy or speed? And I think if you want speed, you're not going to be buying a little Fiesta. Nice steering wheel, nice design, this polished aluminium on the 3 spokes, proper handbrake, power socket here, and there's probably, I can't see for the handbrake, but yes, there's USB there. heating is certainly good. We've also got air conditioning, electric door mirrors, just check them. Yeah, driver's working fine, passengers too, that's good. And then your electric window switches here. Sun's very low down today, probably whiting out the view from the camera here, but we'll see. So split folding rear seats, there's a hard load cover. So we've got cup holders here, another cup holder at the back there, a cup holder that you'll be able to use at the front, so you won't go thirsty. The stereos are really good in Fords. I'm very pleased with them. I've actually turned my phone down so it won't play because it's on Bluetooth at the moment. A lot of salt on the road today, so the screen's getting dirty very, very quickly. Just trying to, yeah, squirty things working on the back and the front. Wipers are good. Nice clear display. Your mileometer information display in the centre. It's telling me to change up. It's 5 degrees outside, and that's it's also showing me the coolant temperature. Left hand side we've got rev counter, right hand side speedo, and then underneath in the middle is your fuel gauge. Up to 88 miles per gallon. Now I do know that, of course, Ford do this 1 litre 3-cylinder engine, which is supposed to be very, very economical. But having used one myself, it was nice to drive, but I couldn't get anywhere near the fuel economy that was claimed. And actually on the motorway, if you're on the motorway, you'd be down to kind of 30 miles per gallon, whereas the diesel, it also feels, with the diesel engine plonked in the front, it must be heavier because it feels more planted on the front. I far prefer diesels these days for in cars I drive about in. We've got more low-end grunt, so engine's not working as hard, I don't suppose. It's just easy. It's got a great heater. I'm roasting. Seats are really nice and comfortable too. Got your telephone controls, also audio controls. You can skip tracks on your phone even if I click that. That's it. There you go. That's skipping the tracks on my via Bluetooth through my phone. The mute or voice instruction, which I can never get on with my accent. Never understands me. Nice and quiet, 70 miles an hour, feels like there's a lot left. I'm just enjoying in this inside lane here. Guy there transporting hay. By the look of the motorways, by the time he gets where he's going, he's not going to have any left, just leaving a massive trail behind him. look that secure, to be honest. I'm going to stay back here. So it's a good looking little car as well. Being the 3-door, certainly if you're not as mobile as you used to be, a lot easier to get in 3 doors than it is to get in a 4-door or 5-door. It opens up really wide, plenty of room to get in, and there's quite a bit of room to get in the back as well, so it's not quite as bad as you would think. And the only problem is when you park in a car park, the doors are wider and it's a little bit harder to get out. Look at that bale coming out there. So superb box, changing up or changing down. Preston's answer to Horatio Keynes there. Just put it around this roundabout. Just there you go. You turn in as much as you like. And you can stay in one lane. I'll show you how to pair a mobile, how to delete a mobile, and how to stream audio when we get back to the garage, or if one of my pull-off spots is... No, that didn't sound right. One of the lay-bys is free. Great driving position. Pretty sure the suspension will be alright, but we'll test it anyway. Just alright, just not as much weight to play with the Fiesta, so it's harder to load. Okay, there. The farmer spraying slurry, which absolutely stinks. So not only do you need a face mask, you need a gas mask as well. So what we're doing at the moment, obviously in these troubled times, we are in lockdown in Preston, but we can still operate on a click and collect basis. If we can do a deal with you over the phone, agree a deal, come and pick it up. And I believe you can come out of a tier 4 to collect a vehicle. So as I say, no problem there. We Nobody's doing anything wrong. It is by appointment only. We can't just allow you to turn up. It's not fair on everybody else. If you come in, we make sure the car's clean and sanitised. Well, he can't be doing much business, can he, in lockdown? Anyway. Yeah, so help us to help you. Don't just turn up. We do clean the office after anybody's been in to pick a car up, the desks and so on, the door handles. But we can't be doing it after people just turning up willy-nilly and think about others, not just yourself. I'll leave it there. That's finished the test drive there. Great little car. Ideal, perhaps second car or a city car. And lovely low mileage example. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.